Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be opening up a mystery package from my Grandma Donna and Auntie Kristin. Let's see what's in here.
There's a scissor.
Oh, so there are scissors. Oh.
What is it?
It's a Brilliant Stars Elite Trainer box. Holy moly. Oh, didn't open. There we go. Oh. Here, let me get the book out first. We got the book of Brilliant Stars. And we got the Brilliant Stars booster box. Man, how many booster packs are in here? Okay, we got 8 booster packs in here. We got this. Ooh, we got dice. And we got our damage counters. And that's basically what's in it. But now if we look at this, oh, everything fell. But we got our Brilliant Star sleeves, gold inside. We got some dividers. And then we got our energies. And then we got all our packs. In total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 card packs. So, what we're going to start off with, we're going to start off from the top and end all the way at the bottom where there's a shaman. Let's see what Brilliant Stars has for us today. Oh, why does it do that? Okay, Brilliant Stars number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a Psychic Energy, Persituum Marines, I don't know how to say that one, Sigilith, Bidoof, Sneasel, Grimer, Execute, Farfetch'd, outside foil, Haxorus, and an Execute without its ice on his head. Well, first is the worst, second is the best. Let's see what we got in our second pack. Oh, holy, this one's hard to open. Why does Brilliant Stars do that? Okay, now I'm going to be prepared for the next time. Next, Brilliant Stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got a Fire Energy, Choice Belt, Persituum, Sigilith, Sneasel, Turtwig, Pipluck, Shroomish, Throw, Halusha, and Electivire. Okay, third time's the charm. Oh, that one was quite easy to open. Okay, yeah, that one's definitely garbage. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the V-Star Freshwater Set, Gloria, Monferno, Hiplup, Shroomish, Throw, Crashborn, Trapinch, Cynthia's Ambition, and a Torterra. Well, we did get the V-Star thing, but that doesn't always mean we got something good. Okay, fourth pack. One, two, three, four. We got a Electric Energy, Freshwater Set, Stormy, Gloria, Farfetch'd, Duskull, Chubchoo, Dedenne, Clink, Team Yellow's Cheer, and a Drampa V. That was quite a good pull, but we still have 4 more packs to go. And if we got one V, there might be another V. Let's go back to another Charizard. Okay, I got a Dark Energy, Floatzel, Cleansing Gloves, Chinchino, Chimchar, Chimchow, Golett, Corpfish, Sock, Piplup, and a Grimmsnarl. Okay, nothing in this pack. But we do have this pack right here. I got a Psychic type Energy, Starvia, Vibrava, Choice Belt, Duskull, Chubchoo, Dedenne, Clink, Snowrunch, Bravo Pass, and a Mewtwo. Okay, 2 packs left. Now, let's see what we can get in this pack. I got a Steel Energy, Monferno, Starvia, Vibrava, Cast Form, Trapinch, Gibble, Buzel, Halucha, Double Turbo Energy, and a Barbarrel Inside Foil. Now, this is the last pack. Let's hope we can get something good out of this one. One, two, three, 4. We got a Grass Energy, Marnie's Pride, Cyclef, Stormy, Dedenne, Nose Pass, Snowrunt, Baltoy, cappuccino, a dusk nor full art, and a breloom. This dusk nor looks pretty cool. But that was all for this video. Our two good cards was the V and the full art. And that was all for this video. Thank you, Grandma Donna and Auntie Kristin, if you ever watch this video. And thank all of you guys for watching this video. And make sure, if you made it this far, drop a like and a subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell too to see any upcoming videos. Bye, and 1, 2, 3, peace.